Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So first, let's just select the screen where we want to add the widget, and we should hold for a while our free space on the home screen, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just tap once on this icon, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the Google app has 4 different types of the widgets. The clock also has 4. The calendar, we can see it also has 4 different types of the widgets. For example, we can add the full month view, the month and today's day, just the list, the shadow. So let's just add the shadow. Just to add the widget, we should click here to this plus and just tap to add. Now it's just successfully added to our home screen. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it for a while, and after that by this widget, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. Just to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold the widget and then just drag it. As you can see, that's all simple. We can create also the new screens with the widgets, but that's also not a problem. And just to remove it from the home screen, we should just hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.